How to use Wildcard on Fantasy Premier League. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the feature of Wildcard on FPL application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the application on your device, then after log in with your account details. Once you have logged in the home page, at the top menu, you will see the option of transfer. Simply click on it. Once you click on that option, you will see the Play Wildcard option below. Simply choose that. Before you activate the wildcard feature in FPL, make sure you are activating it for the tactical purpose and not because you had a bad game week. As using this feature, you will be able to get rid of the player who have bad fixture run with the ones having great fixture run. You can also use the wildcard feature when majority of your team is injured or suspended. So that's it. That is how easily you can use Wildcard on FPL application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.